Hello to everyone guys, today we are doing the smoke simulation tutorial. So we start by deleting the default cube and default light in Blender and to make a UV sphere. We select the object Quick Effects Quick Smoke to create a domain and a smoke material. Also this set the object to the flow. We scale up the domain and we start animating the sphere to change how the actual how it's called the smoke will be displayed. So you can increase the subsurface modifier, the how much triangles we have in our sphere to make the model more complex, the model of the smoke. So I just made it big and then small with an animation to make a big burst of smoke and then a little of smoke then after the first go. So I need to redo this because I've done it wrong. The first keyframe is the default sphere and is a location rotation scale keyframe. The second keyframe is the same keyframe and we have to put it scale it without the Z, so S, and then we press Shift plus Z. And the last keyframe is all the scale set to 0. Remember that the keyframe will be set with the I key on the keyboard. So now we stop at 50 frame for the max of the animation to not make unuseful smoke. So we save the file. No, I didn't save, but you have to save usually. And for the actual domain, we will change our resolution to 128. We activate the smoke adapted domain and the high resolution smoke, and then we start to bake. Remember, before baking you need to save. So this file is not saved, so I can bake. I need to save the file and then I can actually make the bake. Remember that you can use the plus sign to increase the last numeric value of your project. We stop the bake at 50 frame and we start the baking. After the baking is finished, you will have similar results to like this. So I choose the 46 frame if I don't go wrong, and this is the final smoke simulation frame. This is after the color correction. In the next video we will see how to make the rest of the simulation.